If you're encountering the Cloud Save Error 2026 in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing your game without losing your progress. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in file verification feature. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix the cloud save error. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to issues with cloud saves, so consider resetting your router if necessary. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Cyanix support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to help them diagnose the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying Rocket League. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the game's support team.